We are thrilled to announce that Delenta I is officially a HIPAA-compliant platform. Whether you are working with healthcare professionals, wellness clients, or major corporations, this upgrade ensures you can confidently handle sensitive data, scale your business globally, and breeze past corporate security audits with flying colors. Here is what our HIPAA compliance means for your practice, and how to activate it in just a few clicks. Operating as a HIPAA-compliant platform means Delenta meets the rigorous technical, administrative, and physical safeguards required by federal law to protect protected health information. VA. We've upgraded our infrastructure to match the highest industry standards, including end-to-end encryption. Your data is fully encrypted both in transit and at rest, shielding your client sessions, messages, and files from unauthorized access. Strict access controls, enhanced user authentication, and activity logs ensure that only verified users can access sensitive records. Secure architecture. All information is stored in secure, audited data environments designed specifically for healthcare-grade security. To make your compliance official, a signed Business Associate Agreement, BAA, is legally required. Instead of dealing with slow, complex legal paperwork outside the system, we have digitized the BAA process to make it entirely friction-free. Activating HIPAA compliance for your organization takes less than a minute. Head over to your Settings and Privacy menu. Select Login and Security. Scroll to the very bottom of the screen to find the HIPAA compliance section. Click to view the compliance portal, authorize the terms on behalf of your organization, and digitally sign the Business Associate Agreement. If you need a copy for your internal legal compliance or corporate security checks, you can download a signed copy of the BAA PDF instantly right from this screen. And that is it. It really is that simple to unlock enterprise-grade security and elevate your coaching organization.